Hi everyone and welcome to Newfoundland Gardening. So I'm just in the greenhouse going to take my pepper plant. Probably take them in another week and bring them inside. I came over today to get some because I'm making a salsa out of the ripened tomatoes that I brought in from the garden. So I already got a little red one going on right there. And the cabbage is going ahead. You must have been late cabbage. They're gorgeous. They're beautiful. I think they're going to do it. So what I'm here for now is to grab some jalapenos and go over and put into the salsa. Anyway, catch you in a little bit. Oh, and by the way, stick with me. We're going to dig some potatoes too today. Let's see how I try to finish up my potato garden. Okay, see you in a little bit. Bye. You too. Stop it. It's been some dry year this year. I know, I broke my fork. Rough. Yep. I'm gonna say ribs. Yep. Ribs. Here's the one that was planted. Oh, it's a nice one. Another one. The soil is so dry. Can't go over as soft as the weather. Oh. I'm digging my potatoes with a hole. Just broke my fork. So, here we go. As the day closes in, I finish this Drew spuds. Oh, it's getting dark out. And Nan is there with the baby. Hi, Nan. Say hi. Hi, baby.
Say, Pop, we gotta take her home now. Come on.
Yeah, okay, Pop's coming. So there you have it, folks. It was Thanksgiving, and I thought I was gonna get these beets took, but something else happened today, so we had to take Miss Octavia home, and we had a busy day. So for everyone that had Thanksgiving with their family, and those of you that didn't and are away working, well, we've all been there before. So I wanted to come out today. It's been raining hard today actually, and yesterday was Thanksgiving. This is turnip top rate, and it is this time of the year. The bugs gone away. It is a gorgeous time. It springs back after all summer of really having a hard time to grow in all the heat, because it is a beautiful cold weather plant. So this is just turnip top rate, and it's just for cutting what we call green. But look at the leaves, green, look. So my mama really enjoys greens. So this fellow is going to go in a bag and go in my mom's. And you know what? This was one that survived during the heat and the bug season. That one I won't take. So the good thing about the rate is I just leave it there. I just leave in the ones that had holes in it was before the bugs went away. So it's sort of a good cut and come again plant now. So I'll clean up around it. You know, and out of all I planted, after all I planted, I'll cut them back now. And you know what? Before the season finishes, I might get enough to get another bag full. So this big bag of turnip top rate, gorgeous. This big bag of turnip top rate is going down to my mama. Mama loves green, so she's more than welcome to have this one with her Sunday dinner. So there we go. So I got another one sitting just right there. I'll pan in a minute, let you see that one. I'm gonna cut that one as well. So, you know, before season ends, I might get another cut on this one. So this is my mama's house. And I'm going in to give her some greens and some carrots and introduce you to my mama. She's 87 years old. And you're going to certainly hear the TV. Hello.
Hello, my darling.
What you doing now? Just look at this.
Green turnip tops.
Yep, greens, look.
Turnip tops.
What do you think of that now? Nice and big, isn't they?
Yes, sir.
Oh, no, I got a bag full here for you.
Yeah, I like to see. I'll take my
Oh.
put them all in the bag.
Huh? Not soy either, is ya?
I like to see cook, but just a bit of salt beef, Bob.
Yeah, you've had them done with a bit of salt beef before.
Yeah.
Look, I had never got a lot of carrots.
Oh, yeah, those little ones.
Yeah. I got a couple carrots in the bag there for you too, look.
Yeah, all right, that one.
And you'll have, I brought my potatoes down earlier, they're drying.
Yeah.
So there's some nice greens for you. And a couple carrots you have to have dinner.
Yeah.
Huh?
For our dinner, yeah.
Enough there for your dinner, mother.
Yeah.
Potatoes, carrot, rice, and I got an turnip there for you, and that cabbage.
Torture meals first.
You never had your greens in Thanksgiving, did you?
No.
No, and you know what? They was growing all summer,
Yeah.
and they was getting eat by everything.
Yeah, I know.
And the bugs is gone now,
And they're starting to get
and they're starting to go. Not a bite on them, look.
No.
Right?
Ugly bugs.
Bugs all gone now, yeah. So anyway, this is me mommy, and Uncle Dave. I come down to see her, that's all. Love you, mommy, bye.
Love ya.
So there you go. This is, God love her, huh? 87 years old. Can't wait to have a meal of greens. Oh, sorry. Can't wait to have a meal of greens with salt beef. That's what you call us, a real Newfoundlander. Anyway, from Bob, listen, it was a great video. I was supposed to try to get the beets harvested. Nita said she don't want the beets done until next Monday. So this video was supposed to be getting beets, but it turned into potato digging. I'm bringing down some greens and introducing you to my mommy. Like I said, mommy's 87 years old. So anyway, from Bob and Newfoundland Gardener, let's keep growing on the rock, everyone, and let's have a great weekend. Hope you get the beet video up on the next one. Bye.